Now we'll understand the use of the. As I have already explained that the is used before both singular and plural nouns to specify a person, place or thing. किसी भी specific person, place और thing से पहले हम the का use करते हैं. So let's understand this with examples. With the help of examples, my father gave me a pen on my birthday. तो मेरे बर्थडे पे मुझे एक पेन मिला. तो इट कैन बी एनी पेन, कोई भी पेन हुआ, बट अब वो पेन क्योंकि मुझे बर्थडे में मेरे फादर ने दिया तो वो मेरे लिए एक स्पेशल पेन बन चुका है. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल राइट द बिफोर दैट पेन. द पेन इज वेरी स्पेशल फॉर मी. सो फर्स्ट टाइम आई रॉट a pen, but the second time the pen has become specific for me, so I will write the pen. So my father gave me a pen on my birthday and the pen is very special for me. Next example, I saw a girl, the girl was playing. So first time when we saw a girl, so we'll use here a before that, क्योंकि first time मैंने उस girl को देखा. अब वो उसी girl के बारे में जब दोबारा बात कर रहे हैं तो वो अब specific हो चुका है. So next time we'll use the before that girl. The girl was playing. So I saw a girl. The girl was playing. Next example. I know the girl who is standing near the garden. So again I am talking about the specific girl I already know. जिसको कि मैं पहले से ही जानती हूँ. उस गर्ल के बारे में यहाँ पर बात किया जा रहा है. तो ये भी एक स्पेसिफिक गर्ल के बारे में बात हो रहा है. So again we'll use here the. I know the girl who is standing near the garden. Now let's understand the use of the before some other things, place or persons. So whenever we talk about the rivers, mountains, islands, ocean, seas, so we use before them the. Like the Andamans, the Alps, the Yamuna, the Himalayas. So before the name of island, mountain, river, we use the. For example, the Ganga is a holy river. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Second, whenever we talk about the countries whose name is in plural, for example, the USA, United States of America. So states is in plural, and United Arab Emirates. So here also it is in plural. The West Indies. So before the name of countries in plural we use the. For example, the USA is a developed country. But whenever we write a name of country which is not in plural, we do not use any article. I live in India. So before the name of countries we never use any article, but if they are in plural, that time we use the before them. Second is before the holy books. Holy books means religious books, epics. For example, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran. These are the holy books. So before them we use the. The Bible is a holy book of Christians, and the Ramayana is an epic of Hindus. So we use before them the. Next is name of the race or communities. जब भी हम किसी एक रेस या किसी एक कम्युनिटी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो that time also we use the before them. The whites race, the blacks, the Hindu, the Muslim communities. So we'll use the before them. For example, apartheid system discriminated between the whites and the blacks. Next is before the name of newspapers and magazines. The Hindustan Times, the Times of India, the Tribune, the Forbes. For example, daily I read the Hindustan Times. The Forbes is an American business magazine. So before the well-known newspapers and magazines we use the. Next is before the famous monuments and historical buildings. For example, the Taj, the Red Fort, the Statue of Liberty. So before them we use the. For example, the Statue of Liberty is situated in New York. The Taj is made of white marbles. So next, last name of families in plurals. So whenever we talk about the surnames, so we use, and they are in plurals, so we use the before them. For example, the Guptas, the Sharmas. Example, yesterday the Sharmas visited our house. So before the surnames in plurals we use the. Next is common noun used as a whole race. Whenever we use a common noun and it represents the whole race, कि अब जब हम किसी कॉमन नाउन की बात कर रहे हैं लेकिन वो पूरे रेस को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, so that time also we use the before them. For example, the cow is a domestic animal. So cow is a common noun but it is representing the whole race. क्योंकि एक काव, केवल एक काव डोमेस्टिक नहीं होती है बल्कि जितनी भी काव है वो सब डोमेस्टिक होती हैं. So we'll use here the cow is a domestic animals. The rich should help the poor. So the rich represents the all rich and the poor representing the all poor. तो जितने भी रिच लोग हैं उन सबको जितने भी पुअर लोग हैं उनकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए. So the rich should help the poor. And next is before ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers means which are used to tell the order, like the first, the second, the third. Example, I was standing in the first row. So before the ordinal numbers we use the. And before superlative degrees, you know that there are 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So before superlative degree we always use the best, the most, the worst. For example, he scored the highest marks in periodics. So highest is the superlative degree and we'll use here the. I like mangoes the most. So before superlative degrees we use the.